Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your WhatsApp. You should open your WhatsApp, then you click on the gear button. Once you click on the gear button, then you scroll down a little, then you click on privacy level. Then from privacy, then you click on last seen and online. Then good, then from here you're going to come down here and click on the last option, which is same as last seen. So even though if you don't share your last seen online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen online. So that's one more thing that is the downside of this. If you don't share your last seen online, because right now you're about to turn this your scene, you're about to turn it off on WhatsApp. So if you want to check people's last seen on WhatsApp, it will be locked out for you because you're unable to see, because you yourself you've actually turned off last seen on your profile, so you cannot see others because yours is not showing on their own. And that's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.